Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tasty bean stew using an easy method. First, choose your preferred dried beans, like hearty cannellini or versatile black beans. Rinse them well under cold water to ensure they are clean. Then, place the beans in a large bowl and cover them with at least 2 inches of water. Let them soak overnight, for about 8 to 12 hours, which helps them cook more evenly and quickly. After soaking, drain and rinse your beans one more time. Now, let's build our flavor base. In a large pot or Dutch oven, heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add 1 finely chopped onion, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and 1 diced carrot. Sauté these aromatics gently for approximately 5 to 7 minutes, or until they become wonderfully soft and fragrant, releasing their sweet flavors. Now it's time to combine everything for our delicious stew. Add the rinsed beans to the pot, along with 4 cups of rich vegetable broth and 1 diced ripe tomato. Stir in 1 teaspoon of dried thyme and half a teaspoon of smoky paprika for depth. Bring the stew to a boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Cover and cook for about 1.5 to 2 hours until the beans are perfectly tender. Almost ready to enjoy, taste your stew and season it generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper until it's just right. For a burst of freshness, stir in 2 tablespoons of vibrant, fresh chopped parsley or cilantro. If you desire a richer texture, a tablespoon of butter or a drizzle of good olive oil can be added. Serve this comforting, warm bean stew with some crusty bread or a simple side of rice for a complete meal.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.